Immerse yourself in the allure of Cyprus, an island of captivating beauty where golden sunsets meet azure waters and ancient history intertwines with vibrant modern life. Situated at the crossroads of three continents, Europe, Asia, and Africa, Cyprus basks in its mild Mediterranean climate, promising sunshine and warmth nearly all year round. A unique blend of Greek and Turkish culture permeates the air, manifesting in the island's cuisine, music, and architecture. Cyprus is a place of contrast and diversity, a palette of experiences. Here, cerulean beaches flirt with rugged mountain landscapes, while ancient archaeological sites stand a stone's throw away from bustling urban centers. From the tranquil beauty of Cape Greco to the historic charm of Paphos, the vibrant coral bay to the bustling Limassol, Cyprus has something for every traveler. Join us as we embark on a journey through the top 10 must-visit places in this Mediterranean gem. We begin our journey at Cape Greco, a natural haven that paints a picture of tranquility. This pristine peninsula is a treasure trove of outdoor adventures and serene landscapes. Lush nature trails invite you to wander through a world of vibrant wildflowers and singing birds. As you venture deeper, you'll stumble upon the majestic sea caves, carved by the relentless waves over countless years. These natural sculptures add an element of mystery and wonder, capturing the imagination of those who visit. Perched atop a cliff overlooking the azure Mediterranean Sea is the Ayia Chapel. This place of worship, steeped in legend, offers a serene sanctuary for quiet reflection. For the adventurous souls, Cape Greco offers a wealth of activities. Hiking and cycling trails crisscross the landscape, while the clear, warm waters provide an ideal setting for diving. Cape Greco, a tranquil beauty that will leave you awe-struck. Next, we delve into the historic charm of Paphos, a city etched with stories of the past. This gem of a city is a treasure trove of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, where every corner whispers tales of ancient civilizations. Marvel at the intricate ancient mosaics, each tile a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Venture into the eerie yet fascinating tombs of the kings, resting places of Paphos' ancient elite. As you wander through these subterranean chambers, you can't help but feel a profound sense of connection with the past. Then there's the iconic Paphos Castle, standing defiant against the test of time. This fortification is not just a landmark, it's a symbol of Paphos' resilience and enduring spirit. But Paphos isn't just about history. When the sun goes down, the city comes alive. Vibrant nightlife, mouth-watering cuisine, and the warm, welcoming locals make Paphos a city of contrasts, where history and modernity coexist seamlessly. Paphos, where history comes alive. Moving on, we find ourselves in the vibrant Coral Bay, a paradise for beach lovers. Imagine a shoreline that stretches out, kissed by the warm Mediterranean sun, where the sand is as fine as sugar and the sea is as clear as crystal. This is Coral Bay, a haven for those who crave the sun, the sea, and the sand. But it's not just about lounging on the beach. Coral Bay is also a hotspot for water sports. From jet skiing to parasailing, the opportunities for adrenaline-filled fun are endless, and when the sun sets, the area comes alive with a different kind of energy. The bars and restaurants are buzzing, offering a mix of local and international cuisines and an atmosphere as warm and welcoming as the Cypriot people themselves. And so, from the break of dawn till the twinkling twilight, there's never a dull moment here at Coral Bay, where the fun never stops. Our journey continues in Limassol, a city bustling with energy. Unfolding a rich tapestry of history, Limassol is a city where the ancient and the modern coexist. In the heart of the city stands the medieval Limassol Castle, a relic of the past, whispering tales of knights and kings. Just a stone's throw away, the city transforms into a cosmopolitan hub. High-end boutiques line the streets, their window displays beckoning the chic and trendy. Here, fashionistas and bargain hunters alike find their haven, immersed in a shopping experience that spans from quirky local shops to luxury global brands. Yet the city's charm doesn't end there. The Limassol Marina, a dazzling spectacle of yachts and sailboats, is where the city's vibrant energy meets the calming blue of the Mediterranean. Here, the city's heart beats to the rhythm of the waves, and the laughter of happy tourists fills the air. Limassol, where history meets modernity. Next, we step back in time as we explore the ancient city of Kourion. Perched on a hillside overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, Kourion was once a significant city kingdom in Cyprus. Its history dates back to the Mycenaean period, around the 13th century BC, and it flourished until the late Roman period. One of the city's most spectacular remnants is the Ancient Theatre. Fashioned from local stone, this amphitheater, capable of seating thousands, once echoed with the voices of Greek tragedies and comedies. It continues to serve as a venue for cultural events today. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the House of Eustolios, a Roman villa famous for its intricate mosaics. These stunning works of art depict scenes from mythology and everyday life, offering us a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these ancient streets. Kourion, a window into the past. Our adventure takes us next to Ayia, Napa, a hub of excitement and entertainment. This lively city is renowned for its dynamic nightlife, where music pulses through the air and illuminated dance floors beckon party enthusiasts from around the globe. But Ayia, Napa isn't just a nocturnal playground. As daylight breaks, the city reveals a different charm with its stunning beaches offering a blissful blend of sun, sand, and sea. A day spent lounging on the shores of Nisi Beach, or Macronisos Beach, is truly a balm for the soul. Yet there's more to Ayia Napa than just the nightclubs and beaches. The Ayia Napa Sculpture Park is a must-visit, boasting a fascinating collection of sculptures from artists worldwide, each piece telling a unique story against the backdrop of the mesmerizing Mediterranean. Ayia Napa, where the party never ends, is a city that truly knows how to live, offering a perfect balance of relaxation and revelry, culture, and charm. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning waterfalls of Cyprus. This Mediterranean island is not just renowned for its golden beaches and azure waters, but also for its breathtaking waterfalls that are nestled amidst lush greenery. Among these, the Adonis Baths waterfalls hold a special place named after the Greek god of beauty and desire. It's said that Adonis and Aphrodite had many of their children here, making the place resonate with myths and legends. The waterfalls of Cyprus are more than just cascading waters. They are a thriving habitat for a rich variety of flora and fauna. From vibrant wildflowers that bloom in the spring to the unique insects and birds that call these waterfalls home, each element adds to the overall charm of these natural wonders. Whether it's the thunderous roar of the falling water or the tranquil pools they flow into, each waterfall holds a captivating allure. The Waterfalls of Cyprus, nature's masterpiece. Next, we ascend to the majestic Troodos Massif, the green heart of Cyprus. This mountain range, born of ancient geological forces, is a paradise for geology enthusiasts, boasting unique rock formations and mineral streaks. But Troodos is more than a geological marvel. It's a living, breathing tapestry of Cyprus's culture. Nestled within its slopes are picturesque villages where time seems to stand still. Here, the rhythm of traditional life continues, punctuated by the chime of church bells and the laughter of children playing in the streets. Perched high in the mountains is the famous Kikos Monastery, a sacred beacon of the Orthodox Christian faith. Its walls whisper tales of history and faith, its golden icons reflecting the flicker of candlelight and the devotion of countless pilgrims. A visit here is a spiritual journey, a step back in time, and a testament to the enduring spirit of Cyprus. Troodos Massif, a breath of fresh mountain air. We conclude our journey in the historic old city of Nicosia and the enchanting Petra to Romio. Nicosia, the heart of Cyprus, is a city that breathes history. Its old town, enclosed within star-shaped fortifications, is a treasure trove of ancient churches, medieval buildings, and charming cafes. The city is uniquely divided by the Green Line, a buffer zone that keeps the Greek and Turkish Cypriot communities apart, a testament to the island's turbulent past. A short drive from Nicosia takes us to Petra to Romio, a stunning sea stack off the island's southern coast. According to the myth, this is where Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty, was born from the sea foam. The area is steeped in romance and mystique, with the striking rock formations offering a perfect backdrop for the captivating tales of mythology. The old city of Nicosia and Petra to Romio, the perfect end to our Cypriot adventure.